Welcome to VEDHA online classes. VEDHA online classes is providing the live online classes for intermediate, cbse, IIT-JEE, BITSAT, EAMCET. Okay. So today I am going to explain how to score good marks. Okay. So how to revise fast. Okay. And how to score up to 75 by 75. Okay. Within less period of time. Okay. So here for that, you have to search for VEDHA online classes in the YouTube or in the Google. Just search for the VEDHA online classes, and then so you will see the home screen, and as well as okay, so you can see the playlist. Okay, so after that, after selecting the playlist, whatever the subject you want, just you select the playlist. So now we are going to discuss the MATHS-1B. Okay, so we have 1 day for the exam. Within 1 day, okay, just in 1 day, how to score up to 75 by 75, how to score good marks, how to pass, how to get pass. Okay, so just within this 1 day. Okay, so just to open the playlist. Okay, whenever you open the playlist, you will see the videos whatever we have in the. So in this playlist, you can see all these videos. Okay, so the live session is going on here. So and the questions, whatever we have the questions, so in this channel, so you will see the videos of this channel. Okay, from subject wise videos. And so if we take this, and whatever the videos we have in the channel, whatever the videos we have in the channel, you have to be perfect with that. You have to learn with the concept. Okay, so conceptual learning will give you the good marks. Conceptual learning will give you the good marks, excellent marks. Okay, so now we are going to discuss the questions from the 3D coordinates. 3D coordinates. Okay, so this is one of the most important question. One of the most important question. Okay, show that the points 0, 0, 0 are seen, and A 2 minus 3, 3, B minus 2, 3, minus 3 are collinear. Find the ratio in which the point divides the line segment, okay, joining the other two. Okay, this is one of the most important SAQ. Okay, short answer question. And so always remember what we have to do. So after, okay, so first we have to write the given data. Okay, given points, whatever the points are given. So I am writing the given points here. So what are the points here? O, A, B are the given points. In this question, we are going to use the distance formula. What is the distance formula, ma? What is the distance formula?
Under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square.
Yes, this is the formula for finding the distance. Okay, so now with this formula, we have to find the distances. We have to find the distances. What distances we have to find? OA distance. With these 2 points, we have to use. Okay, 2 minus 0 whole square, minus 3 minus 0 whole square, and 3 minus 0 whole square. Okay, so that means 2 minus 0 is 2 square 4, and 3 square 9, minus 3 square 9, and plus 3 square is also 9 only. 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 4 is 22. Root 22, okay, is the distance, okay, of OA. And if you take AB distance, okay, so then we have to find the, okay, so distance between AB means we have to take the points of AB, x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, and z2 minus z1 whole square. That means minus 4 square, 6 square, and minus 6 square. So that means minus 4 whole square is also plus 16 only. Plus 6 square 36, and minus 6 square 36. So if you add all these, we are getting root 88. Okay, that means 2 into 2 into 2 into 11. Okay, so that means, okay, so here Okay. So pair of 2's, if we take out, we get 1, 2. And root 22 is as it is. Root 22 is as it is. Now I am trying to find the value of, okay, distance of OB. Okay. So what is the OB distance here? What is OB distance? OB distance, okay, for finding the OB distance, we have to use the distance formula for O and B points. O and B points. Okay. Getting OB is very easy. -2, -0, 3, -0, -3, -0 whole squares, and gives you 499. Okay, that means root 22. Okay, and now if you add OA distance and OB distance, that means root 22, root 22. We are getting 2 root 22. This 2 root 22 is equal to the distance of AB. Okay, whenever we get the sum of two distances equals to third distance, sum of two distance is equals to third distance, then okay, so the points, given points are collinear. Given points are collinear. Okay, whenever okay, therefore given points are collinear. And OA and OB. Okay, so they are in the ratio root 22, root 22. What about AB? AB is 2 root 22. Okay, so that means O is in the middle. O is in the middle, and we have A and B. Okay, so in the left side as well as right side. O divides the AB ratio. O dividing AB ratio means OA and OB, or AO OB. Okay, so we know the AO value root 22, OB value root 22. Root 22, root 22 gets cancelled. That means 1:1 ratio. Okay, and O is in between A and B. Okay, in middle of this. That means okay, so internally divides internally. Okay, and what is the A dividing ratio? A dividing ratio for OB. A dividing OB in the ratio AO AB. AO means root 22, AB is 2 root 22, root 22, root 22 gets cancelled. So we get 1:2. Externally, A is not in between OB, it is away from that. Okay, so that means okay, so 1:2 externally, dividing externally. And so how B is dividing AO? How B is dividing AO? That is BA and BO, 2 root 22 and root 22, root 22, root 22 gets cancelled. So we get 2:1, and this is also externally. This is also dividing externally. Okay, so like this we can find the, okay, so dividing ratio as well as okay, so collinear. Whenever the 3 points are collinear, okay, so we have to find okay, distance. We have to use the distance formula, and sum of two distances equal to third distance means they are collinear. And here we have the board model paper question. Okay, board model paper ma. So whatever the methods, whatever the concepts are given in the question paper, they are very important. They are very important, and you are going to get the questions. Okay, so like this. Okay, section A, we have to attempt 10 questions, and each question carries 2 marks. Okay, 10 into 2 is equals to 20, and out of 15 we have to write 10 questions. And section B, we have to attempt 5 questions out of how many questions, ma? Okay, so how many questions are given here? 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So up to 27 we have section B. Okay, so and section C we have here. Okay, so in section C we have up to 37. Question number 37 we have. Okay, so in section C. Okay, and after that, all these questions are important, and after that So we are going to discuss now. Now we are going to discuss the questions from the applications of derivatives. Applications of derivatives, important LAQ. One of the most important LAQ, okay, related to the maxima and minima. Related to the maxima and minima. Okay, so very, very important. And here the question is, find the maximum area of the rectangle that can be formed with the fixed perimeter 20. Fixed perimeter 20. Here I am taking I am taking length of the rectangle as x and breadth of the rectangle as y. Length is x and breadth is y. Okay. So now what is the perimeter formula? Perimeter formula is 2 into, okay, so L plus B, 2 into length plus breadth is equals to, okay, so 20. L plus B is equals 20 by 2. That means, okay, so we get 10. X plus y is equals 10. Y is equals to 10 minus x. Y is equal to 10 minus x. Okay. After that, okay. So what he is asking the question related to the area. Area is nothing but length into breadth. Area means length into breadth. That means x into y. Okay. Y we are writing in terms of x. So x into 10 minus x. Area function. This is the, okay, area function. That's why we are writing as a of x is equal to 10x minus x square. So we need to differentiate one time, two time. Okay. So here I am differentiating for one time d by dx of ax, and here 10 into d by dx of x minus d by dx of x square. Okay. And 10 into 1, x derivative is 1, and x square derivative. What is x square derivative? That is 2 into x to the power 2 minus 1. 2 into x to the power 2 minus 1. That means 2x it is. 2x it is. A dash of x is equal to 10 minus 2x. 10 minus 2x. So if you differentiate this once again, so then what you will get? Okay, so we are finding the double derivative. A double dash of x is equals to 0 minus 2 into 0 minus, okay, so 2 into 1. Okay, so that means a double dash of x is equals to minus 2. Okay, so that means here negative value, we are getting the negative value. We don't want the exact value. Is it negative or positive? If it is negative, we have maximum. At that particular point. Okay, if it is positive, okay, so we get the minimum. To get the minimum or maximum, okay, so we take a double dash of x is equal to 0, and that means 10 minus 2x is equal to 0. Okay, so here 10 is equal to x is equals to 10 by 2. That means x is equals to 5, and this x is equal to 5 will substitute in a double dash of x. Okay, in the second derivative. Test it is. What is second derivative? Use of second derivative. Just it is a test whether we have the negative, whether we have the maximum value or minimum value. Okay, so now here now we are going to substitute. This x is equal to minus 5 in this okay, equation 4 means we are getting the same. Okay, there is no x in this equation 4. That means we get minus 2 as these. Okay, so here we have the maximum value or maximum area. We have maximum value or maximum area we have at x is equals to 5. Okay, so now substitute x is equal to 5 in equation 1, so that we'll get the y value. So y is equals to 10 minus x means 10 minus 5. Okay, what is the required area? He is asking the area, maximum area. So area is equals to length into breadth. So that means L into B. So that means x into y. Okay. So what is the area here? What is the area here? Okay, here 25 is the required answer. 25 is the required answer. And next question, find the two positive integers, okay, whose sum is 15 and the sum of whose squares is minimum. This is also one of the most important question. Okay, in this question, x and y we considering as okay, two positive integers, and x plus y is given as 15, y is equals to 15 minus x, and okay, sum of squares means x square and y square. Okay, x square writing as it is, y means 15 minus x, from this substituting here 15 minus x whole square. Okay, and after taking the 15 minus x whole square, we apply we differentiate with respect to x. Okay, so that means s dash of x, sum, he is asking sum of squares, so that's why we are taking as s of x, and s dash of x is equal to d by dx of x square and d by dx of 15 minus x whole square. 15 minus x whole square. So x square, x power 2 derivative, okay, that is 2 into x power 2 minus 1, 2 into x to the power 2 minus 1. Okay, so that means 2x we get, that means we get 2x. Okay, and 2 into okay, so 2 into 15 minus x whole power 2 minus 1, and d by dx of 15 minus x, we differentiate that. Okay, so that means we get it as 2x plus 2 into 15 minus x, and okay, x constant derivative is 0 and x derivative is minus 1, so 2x minus 2 into 15 minus x we get. So if we simplify here, we are getting it as 4x minus 30, 4x minus 30. Okay, just for confirmation, we have to differentiate it once again. Okay, whenever we differentiate again, we are getting 4 is a positive value. Okay, so just keep it like that, or if it is a positive value, so we get a minimum, the minimum. Here, to get a minimum or maximum, equate s dash x to 0, okay, so that means 4x minus, okay, so 30 is equals to 0, 4x minus 30 is equals to 0. So that means x is equals to, we are getting as 15 by 2. What is the value of x? X is equals to 15 by 2. Okay, understood, ma? Are you following?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here, after getting the x value, what we have to do? Okay, so substitute that x value, okay, in equation 1. Substitute that x value in equation 1. Okay, so if we substitute x value in equation 1, so we'll get the y value. Okay, that means, okay, so we are getting y value as 15 minus x means 15 minus 15 by 2. So that is 30 minus 15 means 15 by 2 only. We get it as 15 by 2 only. Okay, so now in this s double dash of x, if we substitute this x value, okay, so we get 4 only. Okay, that means positive. Positive means we get the minimum value at x is equal to 15 by 2 and y is also equal to 15 by 2. Okay, y is also equal to 15 by 2 only. Okay, so what is the required solution here? So here the required solution is x is equal to 15 by 2 and y is equal to 15 by 2. Whenever we take x is equal to 15 by 2 and y is equal to 15 by 2, so we are going to get the, okay, sum as 15. Okay, and whose squares are minimum here? Okay, their squares are minimum here. Okay, understood. So just like this, you have to practice all the videos, and whenever you are revising the solution, whenever you are watching the solution, just to keep the book in front of you and practice. Okay, so those questions, whatever we are discussing, okay, whatever the explanation is going on, okay, so just you have to practice that. You have to practice that. Okay, so that easily you can score good marks. And okay, so if we go to the next, okay, so videos and the method. Okay, so just you have to practice with the method concept. Focus more on the methods concepts. Okay, so that so that we can attempt any question. Okay, so even though we are okay, so we get the similar type of question. Okay, we can solve easily. Okay, so now we are going to discuss the question from the differentiation and most important LQ long answer question here. If root of 1 minus x square, root of 1 minus x square plus root of 1 minus y square is equals to a into x minus y, then prove that dy by dx is equals to root of 1 minus y square. Okay, so divide by root of 1 minus x square. What is given here? So whatever it is given, first we have to write that. Okay, after writing that, we have to consider x is equals to sine c and y is equals to sine d, and substitute in place of x and y. Okay, then we get root of 1 minus x square means sine square c plus root of 1 minus y square means sine square d is equals to a into x minus y, sine c minus sine d. So 1 minus sine square means cos square, 1 minus sine square means cos square. So cos root cos square c minus root cos square d. Okay, so is equals to a into sine c minus sine d. Here sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1 is the, okay, so identity formula. Okay, and okay, from that we used 1 minus sine square theta is equals to cos square. Okay, squares and roots gets cancelled. Okay, we can cancel the squares and roots, and left side we have cos c plus cos d formula we can apply, right side we can apply sine c minus sine d formula. Okay, so what is cos c plus cos d? 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Cos formula means cos cos sine sine. Okay, plus means cos cos first part, minus means sine sine second part. Okay, and sine c minus sine d formula. Sine formula is sine cos cos sine. Plus means sine cos. Minus means cos sine. Okay, so here we have negative sign, so we get cos sine. Okay, so now whatever we have common in the left side and right side. Okay, left side and right side. Okay, so we can cancel that. And okay, cos of c minus d by 2, cos of c minus d by 2, okay, divided by sine of c minus d by 2 is equals to a. We have the remaining in this, and cos by sine is cot c minus d by 2 is equals to a it is. Okay, after that c minus d is equal to cot inverse of a, c minus d is equal to 2 into cot inverse of a. Send this 2 to that side, and sine here x is equal to sine c by 2 and y is equals to the whenever we start the solution. Okay, so we considered x is equal to sine c, y is equal to sine d. So c is equal to sine inverse x, d is equal to sine inverse y. Okay, so we are substituting sine inverse x, sine inverse y is equals to 2 into cot inverse of a. Okay, and if we differentiate with respect to x on both sides, then d by dx of sine inverse x and d by dx of cos inverse x is equals to, okay, so 2 into is equal to 2 into, okay, so cot inverse of a. All this is constant, so we get 0. And sine inverse x formula 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Sine inverse y also 1 by root 1 minus y square. And in place of x we have y ma, so differentiate that y again, internal derivative chain rule. Understood here?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it clear ma?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so after that, okay, so what we have to do here? what we have to do? Okay, so whatever the term we have in the derivative, with the derivative, keep it in the left side. Okay, so the remaining x terms you send it to right side, and in this also here division is there, it is dividing. If you take it to that side, okay, it will multiply. So that means we get in the numerator. Okay, so root of 1 minus y square divided by root of 1 minus x square. So dy by dx is equals to root of 1 minus y square divided by root of 1 minus x square. Hence the required answer solution is proved. Okay, required solution is proved here. And if we go to the next question, this is also one of the most important question method. The method is very, very important. Whenever we have the question, okay, and once just we look at the question, if x to the power y, x to the power log y is equals to log x, then find dy by dx. This is the question. Whenever we have the question, x to the power log y means variable to the power variable, we apply this method, logarithmic differentiation. In this model, we have, okay, 3-4 other important questions also we have. Whenever you observe like this, you apply the logarithmic differentiation. Means we take that function as it is, and okay, so we apply log on both sides. Logarithm differentiation means we apply log on both sides. Okay, so applying log on both sides means left side logarithm and right side logarithm. Okay, after applying logarithm, always remember we apply the formula d. Okay, so d by dx log of x power n is equals to n into log x. We use this formula always, every time. So the power, whatever we have the power, okay, so we write that power, okay, so as a coefficient. We write the power as coefficient. Okay, so that means the log y is the power here. We write that as coefficient into log x is equals to log of log x, and we differentiate again. Whenever we differentiate, okay, this function now, we use the UV formula. UV formula is u outside d by dx of v plus v outside d by dx of u. So that means log y outside differentiating log x outside differentiating log y, and d by dx of log x. So log of log x, we apply log x formula. So log x formula is 1 by x. D by dx of log x is 1 by x. So 1 by log x, and d by dx of log x, we differentiate that log x again, internal derivative or chain rule, d by dx of log x. Okay, so now here log y is as it is, and okay, so log x derivative 1 by x and log x as it is, 1 or log y means 1 by y, and dy by dx we are getting. So and the right side we have log x. Okay, right side we have log x, and d by dx of log x is 1 by x. Okay, so here we have derivative in the second term, except this term. So remaining terms you send it in the right side. Okay, if you send it to right side, so what we get here, we get it as, okay, log x divided by y into dy by dx is equals to 1 by x log. Send this term to that side means we get minus. Okay, and take the LCM, x log x is the LCM. So we have as it is x log x 1 minus. So here we have only x, don't have log x, so multiply with log x into log y. Okay, so after that what we have to do, we want the dy by dx value. We want the dy by dx value actually. So dy by dx means send this term that side, so we get reciprocal. Okay, so we get the reciprocal of that term. Okay, so that means whatever we have here, so we can cancel, we can eliminate that. Okay, after that, so finally we get the dy by dx as, we get the dy by dx as, okay, y by x into, okay, so y by x into, okay, so 1 minus 1 minus log x divided by, so whatever he is asking in the question, so we are getting here as it is. Okay, so now we'll go to the next okay, so video solution. Okay, all these methods, all these questions, whatever we are discussing, all are important. Okay, so now whatever we are going to discuss, these questions are from board model paper 2022. Okay, and question number 12 and 13. Okay, and from the differentiation chapter, these questions from the differentiation chapter. Okay, now we'll go to the questions. Once we'll go to the questions. And the methods. Okay, so here this is the question number 12. This is question number 12. Find the derivative of, find the derivative of 5 sin x plus e power x into log x. This is the question here. So in this question, this is 2 marks question. This question is given for 2 marks. Y is equals to 5 sin x plus e power x into log x. Make it habit of writing the given data, and we are differentiating. We are differentiating with respect to x on both sides. So write the derivative d by dx for each and every term. Okay, so d by dx for this, d by dx for this, d by dx for this. Here we have to apply UV formula. UV formula. Okay, so if we apply UV formula, means u into d by dx of v plus v into d by dx of u. Okay, so e power x outside, differentiating log x outside, differentiating e power x, and sin x derivative is cos x. Okay, and 5 cos x plus e power x into 1 by x, and okay, so if you take e power x common, so we get it as 5 cos x, okay, plus e power x into 1 by x log x is the okay final answer for this question. And if you go to the next question number 13, y is equals to log of sine of log x, then find dy by dx. This is also one of the most important method. Okay, we are going to get this model question in the 2 marks. Okay, so what is given here? Y is equals to log of sine of log x. So differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So whenever you differentiate this question, whenever you solve this model questions, always remember here. Okay, so just you are entering into your house. Okay, outside, if it is independent house or apartment. Okay, so whenever you are going inside your room, okay, so how do you go? Outside gate is important. You have to open the outside gate of your complex or your compound. After that you will go and open your main door. Okay, after that you will enter into other room, your separate room or any other room, whatever you have inside your home. Means you are, whenever you are opening, whenever you are applying the formula, okay, first you apply the formula for outside function. You think about the outside function only, don't think more about all these functions together. Okay, so just to apply the formula d by dx of log of, means outside function logarithm, apply the logarithm formula, and whatever the okay value, whatever the function we have in place of x, okay, you apply the okay, so chain rule or internal derivative, you differentiate that function once again. You differentiate that function once again. Okay, after applying the logarithm. Okay, so formula d by dx of log x means 1 by x, x means sine of log x, and we are differentiating the sine of log x again. That means cos of log x. So cos of log x means in place of x again log x, we have to differentiate that log x again, internal derivative. So that means d by dx of log x 1 by x. So finally we are getting cos by sine cot of log x divided by X is the final answer. What is the final answer? Okay. So like this. So here, whenever we solve the differentiation problem, okay, formulas are very, very important. Whatever the formula we have in the differentiation, all the formula are very, very important. Okay, whatever the formula you are applying, try to apply the formula. Okay, so now here, this is also okay. So question from the board model paper. Board model paper. Okay, find the derivative of sine of x plus a divided by cos x. Okay, so y is equals to sine of x plus a by cos x. Here we apply the derivative d by dx on both sides, left side as well as right side. U by v formula I am applying here. Okay, so what is u by v formula? 1 by v square, 1 by v square into v into d by dx of u minus u into d by dx of v. Okay, so we applied the formula. Okay, so that we are getting like this. Okay, and here chain rule. Okay, so in place of x we have x plus a, so we are differentiating the x plus a once again here. Okay, and one more thing here in this, after coming to this, so cos sine sine, this is a cos formula. Cos a cos b plus sine b is cos a minus b formula. So here a means I am taking as x plus a, b means taking as x, a minus b. Okay, and we can cancel this. We can cancel this x and x. Okay, so that means we are going to get cos a by x, cos square x, cos a by cos square x. 1 by cos square is secant square x. This is the final answer. And if we go to the next question, find the derivative. This is also board model paper question. Question number 35. Find the derivative of 5 of x by is equals to x sine cos x divided by root 1 root of 1 plus x square. First write the given function and differentiating and applying u by v formula here. U by v formula. And okay, so what is u by v formula? D by dx of u by v is equals to 1 by v square into d by dx of v d by dx of u minus u d by dx of v. Okay, so we apply the u by v formula. We apply the u by v formula, and one more thing is we also apply uv formula in the numerator part. For the numerator part, okay, so here we also apply the uv formula. Okay, and we simplify, okay, so that we get the final answer for this. Okay, so like this we solve the problems. Okay, so all the videos we have, most important, whatever the videos are very, very important. So all those videos we have in the playlist. All the videos we have in the playlist. If you want to score up to 75 by 75, up to 75 by 75, okay, so in the exam, or if you want to pass, okay, so guarantee pass. Okay, so then, okay, so open the VEDHA online classes, open the VEDHA online classes. Okay, and okay, so go to the playlist and whatever the subject you want. Okay, so just to go to the subject playlist and okay, so play the videos, and with the videos parallelly you practice. And one more advantage whenever you are okay, so watching the playlist, you have the step by step, every step is very clear, neat. Okay, neatly explained, each and every formula is written in the videos. Okay, so that you can score good marks, no doubt at all. Okay, and okay, so till now if anybody is not subscribed to VEDHA online classes, okay, so just please like, share, subscribe the VEDHA online classes, and within couple of days you are going to get the VEDHA online classes, VEDHA online classes, okay, application also, VEDHA online classes application also, so that you can okay, so download the VEDHA online classes application from the Google Play Store, and you can watch the videos. Okay, so when we compare the application and playlist, we have difference is there. Okay, so in the application you can watch the videos chapter wise, topic wise. Okay, so very short answer type questions, long answer questions, and like that you can watch the videos. Okay, so in the YouTube channel, okay, so we have few possibilities. Okay, so that's why, okay, within couple of days you are going to get the so VEDHA online classes, okay, so application also. And if anybody is not subscribed till now, okay, so just subscribe the VEDHA online classes and activate the bell icon for all notification. All the best for your exams. Score up to 75 by 75. Okay, so and follow VEDHA online classes. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a great preparation. All the best.